Hello everyone, this is our channel KN Academy. If you want to get daily job update and internship update and company related information, then subscribe to our channel. Guys, in this video, I am going to discuss about off-campus jobs. So I will discuss about 3 to 4 off-campus jobs. Let's discuss about first job. So guys, first opportunity which is from Joho. So guys, you can see here Joho hiring for software developer. Now we will see the eligibility criteria and skills requirement, right? So guys, you can see here job description and you can read like what is the job description, like write well designed testable and efficient code and contribute in all phases of the product development life cycle. Now talking about the responsibilities, what responsibilities you will have. So guys, you can see collaborate with team members to determine best practices and requirements for software and troubleshoot coding problems quickly and efficiently to ensure a productive workplace. So all these things you will have. Now talking about the required skills, what skills you should have, right? So you should have excellent knowledge in data structures, AI, algorithms, and machine learnings, and proficiency in any of these modern programming languages such as C, C++, Java. So basically, you should have programming language knowledge like C, C++, Java, and good knowledge of any relational database, MySQL or SQL. Basically, so you should have programming knowledge as well as database knowledge. Added advantage of having knowledge in the technology like HTML, JavaScript, CSS, jQuery, or using frameworks like any Angular or React. So if you have skills in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery, so it is a added advantage. Okay, and good in problem solving skills and communication and analytical skills and preferred skills same as required skills. So this is about Joho software development requirement. Okay, so and I will put apply link in the description box for this so you can apply from there. Now talking about second opportunity. So guys, second opportunity which is from DXC, and DXC hiring for associate professional technical support, right? And location will be Bangalore, and this is full-time opportunity, and Joho opportunity is also full-time opportunity. Okay, now talking about the requirement for this for professional technical support in DXC. So guys, you can see here basic qualifications and other qualification. So basic qualification, you should have bachelor's degree or equivalent combinations of the education and experience, right? So if you have related experience in technical support or something, so you can apply, or you have if you have bachelor's degree, so you can apply, and bachelor's degree in computer science majorly or related fields preferred, right? So no other bachelor's degree, no other field, you should have bachelor's degree in computer science field, and other qualification is strong analytical and problem solving skills and work environment, office environment, and may require shift work. So all these basic qualifications and other qualifications you should have. Now talking about the third opportunity, which is from Amazon. So guys, Amazon hiring for programmer analyst one. Okay, so now I will discuss about eligibility criteria for this and how to apply in this opportunity. So basic qualification and preferred qualification. Let's discuss. So for basic qualification, 0 to 3 years of experience or overall development technical support experience. Like here it is already mentioned like 0 to 3 years. If you are fresher, then you can also apply, and up to 3-year experience you have, then you can also apply. And strong object oriented development knowledge in C++ or Java, and knowledge of the Unix, Linux, and operating system, and proven ability to troubleshoot and identify the root cause of the issues, and documentation skills. And preferred qualification same as basic qualification. So all these basic qualifications you should have for this opportunity. So guys, in this video I have discussed about three off-campus tribes, which is from Joho, DXC, and Amazon. I hope you like the video, and I will put apply links in the description box so you can check out there and you can apply. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching.